Hello, strange people.
Hello.
Deutschland.
We're in
Marburg.
Marburg.
Marburg, Germany. What are we doing here, Kay?
This is our first stop after 4.5 hours.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have another 4-hour drive after this.
It's a midway point to our first destination.
But this is Marburg.
Marburg.
Marburg. Wait, look, I want to show you how we're twinning.
We're matching. I was gonna wear black, but you were like, can you please wear orange?
Don't believe him, he can't get his colors straight. Oh, watch it.
It's gonna be fun.
Marburg.
Oh.
Cover your eyes. Okay. So I'm walking up the hill, and we're gonna keep walking up the hill because Marburg is a very historic old place, and we are in Altstadt, which means old town. We're going to the Schlossberg. Yes, I'm gonna speak use a lot of German words.
And we've been Duolingoing.
Yes. So yeah, we are going up to the Schloss, the castle, and we're just gonna look at the view and see what this is all about. But all I gotta say is it's so quiet. I think it's not even 10 yet, and I think it's amazing. It's an amazing stop.
It is nice. It is nice. It's nice and early.
Oh yeah,
Nice and quiet.
love it.
Oh, damn.
Wow. I think now we've made it to the Schloss. Right?
Yeah.
Now we made it to the Schloss.
This is the slush?
I think so.
Oh.
Yee! It's varken.
It smells funny though.
Maybe it's a certain type of water.
It smells funky.
It does.
In meine kalte Venen. So that was the Schloss, which means castle in German.
Yes.
And we're only here for 2 hours because it's a halfway stop. So we're gonna find something to
eat.
Eat. Essen. And then continue on to our destination.
Black Forest. Feuerwehr.
Yeah, man. So nice, though.
But the sky's pretty. Hello, strange people.
Hello.
We've arrived at our first stay, and we are on a hunt, a scavenger hunt.
And I got a message from the owner with instructions on how to find the key.
Is this the door I have to use?
I think so. It's a door.
I like.
Nice.
This is all for us.
Oh,
That's
this
a
is
giant
nice
place.
house.
That's a nice house.
Oh my God,
right.
this is what we rented?
This is what we rented. This is our place for the next 2 nights.
Oh, it's actually really cute. And they have games and books.
Wanna go up? Wanna go up?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go upstairs. Oh, beds. All right. Okay.
Sorry.
All right.
Where are the other beds?
I like it. And so now we're gonna
Downstairs.
go explore and maybe go see the forest, see the Black Forest.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, did we tell them where we were?
We're in the Black Forest.
This looks like Denmark for some reason.
Yeah, go for it. Go, Jamie. Jamie, move your head.
He's actually really heavy.
I need help.
We came to Indian Spice. We waited really long. Really long. What time is it? Almost 9?
Done.
Almost an hour. Or more than an hour. Let's see how it goes.
Bamberg.
Wait, Mama, you forgot to say.
What?
No.
You forgot to say in. Which hole?
Yeah.
I had to call it. How does Jamie know? I was.